guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Miss Yancy. I am back in my garden. Today we're going to be planting some peppers. I have probably about 5 different types of peppers. I have some bell peppers and a whole lot of different hot peppers like habaneros, chilies. I think I have some like Thai, some hot Thai peppers, you know, like some Asian peppers, Asian spicy peppers, and some sweet peppers. So yeah, I have a lot of peppers, y'all. Today I will be putting a lot of them in my bed, and then another time I will be putting some of them in my grow bags because all of them cannot fit. I'm sure you're seeing the videos. I'll put it in here so you can see some of the peppers I do have. Yesterday I planted my tomatoes. They're in the bed right now, and then I have some here on the trellis. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video and leave in the comments and let me know what you guys are growing or what are you thinking about growing. All right, y'all, come along with me and let's get this started. All right, y'all, so these are some Thai pepper. I'm not sure which kind of Thai pepper, but I know they're hot. So I have a lot of these plus habaneros and some bells and stuff. So we shall see what happens in the summertime when, you know, they actually start bearing fruit. They actually have some peppers that's growing on them. I don't know if y'all could see them. I'm gonna pinch it off so when they go in the ground it can start producing, so it can focus on the roots instead of trying to produce peppers already in these like little pots. So yeah, we shall see. Whoa. Martha Lorraine's signature luxurious body butter is packed with all natural skin-loving ingredients such as cocoa butter, coconut oil, shea butter, vitamin E oil, and baobab oil. Whipped to perfection, it is lightly made to be easily absorbed into the skin without clogging your pores. This body butter is free of parabens, sulfates, and synthetic fragrances.